How to use Microsoft Teams for chat or collaboration. Need to keep your team on the same page? Microsoft Teams makes chatting, sharing files, and collaborating super easy. All in real time, let's explore the features that makes teamwork flow smoothly. Open Teams and choose chat or create new. Chat or create new. Type your message and hit send. Click the attached icon to share a file instantly. Use to mention to grab someone's attention. Step 5. In a team channel, start a new post, reply to threads, and react with emojis. Pro tip. Print important chats and or channels so you can find them faster. With chats, files, and calls in one place, your team stays connected even if you are miles apart.